Hey y'all, I'm so glad this company made a higher litter box. Let's compare it to this one I got before. It's higher, but not covered, so no worry of urine leakage. Worried it's hard to move? Not at all. It has handles and wheels, so you can move it easily. And this low entrance is so friendly for senior cats. Stainless steel is not like plastic. It doesn't harbor bacteria or odor, and it's easy to clean. I prefer this high side one because I have a big boy, and it's one-piece stainless steel. If you don't like covered ones either, I highly recommend this one. I have the link down below for you.